Welcome to Kinfolks Knowledge.
'47. JavaScript program to count the number of keys, properties in an object. Certainly. Here's a JavaScript program to count the number of keys, properties in an object. JavaScript. Function count properties. Obj. Let count equals 0. 4. Let key in obj. If obj has own property, key, count plus plus. Return count. Let person equals name, John, age, 30, profession, developer. Let property count equals count properties, person, console.log, number of properties in the object, plus property count. In this program, we define a function count properties that takes an object obj as input and counts the number of keys, properties in that object. We initialize a counter variable count to keep track of the number of properties. We use a for in loop to iterate over each key in the object. Inside the loop, we use the has own property method to check if the key is a direct property of the object, not inherited from its prototype chain. If it is, we increment the count by 1. Finally, we return the count. We define the variable person as an example object with properties such as name age and profession We call the count properties function with person as the argument, and store the result in the variable property count We use console.log to display the number of properties in the object. When you run this code, it will count the number of properties in the object using the provided function and print the count in the console. For example, number of properties in the object, 3. The output indicates that the object has 3 properties. The end.